Hello there! In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of activating Shopify Payments for non-US citizens. If you're outside the US and looking to set up Shopify Payments, this is the right place for you. Stick around until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's dive in. To start, head over to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Settings at the bottom left, then select General at the top left. Here, you'll see your billing address and country. Click the pin icon to change your country to the United States. This step is crucial because Shopify Payments is not available in many countries outside the US, such as Morocco, numerous countries in Africa, and several in Europe. Despite common misconceptions, this process is compliant with Shopify's terms. Now, when selecting a US state, you can choose California, for example. Enter a temporary address as you'll need to update this information later. Once done, click Next. Next, navigate to the Payments section. Here, you can now see the Shopify Payments option. If your original country was selected, this option wouldn't appear. Click on Activate Shopify Payments. It's crucial to follow these steps carefully to avoid errors. When prompted, select Registered Business instead of Individual. Choosing Individual will require a Social Security number, SSN, which is only available to U.S. residents. Select Private Single Member LLC to proceed without needing an SSN. For the Employer Identification Number, EIN, many companies can help set up an LLC in the U.S., which simplifies acquiring an EIN. You can search online for how to start an LLC in the USA to find resources and tutorials. This process typically incurs a one-time fee of around $100 to $200. For the necessary US phone number and address, many LLC creation services provide these. Alternatively, you can obtain a US phone number for a small monthly fee. Finally, you'll need a US bank account, which you can easily set up through Payoneer. Simply search for Create Payoneer Account, sign up, and complete the registration process. Payoneer will provide you with a US bank account for receiving payments from Shopify without any cost. Once your Payoneer account is set up, navigate to Receiving Accounts to find your US bank account details. And that's it! You've now configured your Shopify Payments as a non-US citizen. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I reply to every comment. See you in the next video.